Okay, students, now question 16 of exercise 5.3. So here it is, a sum of 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 rupees less than its preceding prize, then find the value of each prize. Okay, so here uh, whichever sum is given, okay, it means the sum of all prizes, that is 700. If we decide again, now let the first prize is equal to a, then we find second prize. So that we write here a minus 20. Why we write here a minus 20? Because this second price is less 20 rupees than its preceding price. Okay, so here we less 20 rupees. Okay, now third price a minus 40, fourth price a minus 60, as like fifth, sixth, seven prices. So we find these 7 prices. Okay, so here first term is equal to a, then d is equal to minus 20, n is equal to 7, that number of price is here 7. Okay, and Sn value is given here. Okay, by Sn formula, so here Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now we put the value in this formula. Okay, Sn we have 700, n we have 7, a we find here. Okay, then we find on the base of others 7 prices. N is equal to 7, d is equal to minus 20. So here 700 is equal to 7 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 7 minus 6 into bracket minus 20. Okay, then 2a. Okay, then 2a, then 7 minus 1 6, and 620 is that is 120, and minus plus minus. So here 2a minus 120 is equal to this 2 we multiply with 700. 2 multiply 700, this 7 we bring this side, is mean upon 7. 700 is a 700. Okay, so 200 is a 200. So 2a minus 120 is equal to 200. So as like we give simplification, so we get here a is equal to 160. So on this base a value, we find 7 price. Okay, so here now the value of 7 price is, okay, so here first price a is equal to 160. Okay, and second a minus 20, so 160 minus 20, 140. Then third a minus 40 is equal to 160 minus 40 is equal to 120. So like that we get here 7 prices. Okay, so here 160, 140, 120, 180, 60 and 40 are the 7 prices. Okay, are the value of 7 prices. So here 16 is over. Now question number 17. So here in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example here, a section of class 1 will plant 1 trees, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. So there are section of each class planted. Okay, sorry, there are 3 sections of each class. So how many trees will be planted by the students? Okay, that we have to find. Okay, so here each class, number of each class, suppose class 1 to plant only one tree, class 2 plant two plants. Okay, class 3, so they will plant 3 trees. Okay, like that. It means number of up to or number of up to 12 class. Okay, so here class 1 plant only one trees, class 2 plant 2 trees, like that we increase up to 12th class. Okay, so as we find here number of plants. Okay, how many trees will be planted by the students? Now answer 70. So here number of classes is equal to 12. Total number of classes 12. Okay, each class has 3 sections. Okay, so as we find number of plants, okay, planted by student. So number of plants planted by class 1. Okay, so here class 1 planted only one trees. So here 1, but there is 3 section of class 1, so we multiply by 3. So total number of plants planted by class 1 is 3. Okay, as like class 2 2 plants, okay, planted, so 2 3 ja 6. Okay, class 3 3 plants and 3 sections, so 3 3 ja 9. So as like up to class 12, so they planted, number of planted trees 12 and 3 sections, so 12 3 ja 36. Okay, okay, so like that we get here 3 6 9 up to 36. Okay, now here these numbers 3 6 9 up to 36. Okay, so they are in AP. It means this is our AP. So here first term A is equal to 3, then between two terms difference is D, that is 3, and total number of, okay, 12. So here N is equal to 12, and here last term 36, it means AN is equal to 36 is become L. So by SN formula we write here SN is equal to N upon 2 into bracket A plus L. This formula we can also use if there is last term is fixed. If last term is not fixed, so we use another SN formula, and that is N by 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 D. Okay, so here we have last term, so we use L. Okay, so S12 is equal to L by 2, 3 plus 36, then 39, and here 12 upon 2 means 6. The 6 39s are 234. So here total 234 trees will be planted by the students. So this is our answer of question 17. Okay, so learn these both sums again. Okay, bye.